You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. For more confusing pronunciations and vocabulary in English, stay tuned. We've got tons more coming up at the end of the video for you. British English and American English are similar here as prioritize. Now the Americans spell it with a Z or a Z instead of the S at the end. Prioritize. Stress on the R syllable, prioritize. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.